Jojolapa, Namaste and good morning to all my students. It's me, Sumitra Mahajan, an English teacher of Mangal Secondary School, Kirtipur Municipality, Ward number 10. Today, also, I'm speaking on this Newa FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality. Now, I'm going to teach English for class 7. This program is broadcast every Monday at 11:30 a.m. I will be together with you for 30 minutes. Very warm welcome to grade 7 student. Dear student, last week we discussed about the article, didn't we? I hope you practice your exercise. Today, we will discuss about from our textbook. It is about the passage. Before reading this passage, we will know about new words. Turn to page number 23. Let's learn these words. In page number 23, learn the meaning of these words that appear in the passage below. Okay, everybody, listen carefully how I pronounce the word. Repeat after me. Iceland. I-S-L-A-N-D, Iceland. I-S-L-A-N-D, Iceland. Iceland means piece of land surrounded by water, sea, ocean. Iceland means piece of land surrounded by water, sea, ocean. Now next word, ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Yes, ocean means mass of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface. Ocean means mass of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface. Next word, sea. S-E-A, sea. The salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface and encloses its continent or island. The salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface and encloses its continent or island. Coast. C-O-A-S-T, coast. Coast means shore, seaboard, beach. C-O-A-S-T, coast. Coast means shore, seaboard, beach. In Nepali, it is called kinara. Coast means kinara. Next word, polinter. Polinter. Yes, polinter. P-O-L-U-N-T-E-E-R, polinter. Polinter means unpaid assistant. Unpaid assistant. Next word, popular. Popular. Spelling P-O-P-U-L-A-R, popular. P-O-P-U-L-A-R, popular. Popular means well liked by many people. Well liked by many people. That means also famous. Now next word, visit. Easy word, visit. P-I-S-I-T, visit. Visit means go or come to see a person, place, etc. Visit means go or come to see a person, place, etc. Next word, valley. 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 Valley means stretch of land between hills. Valley. Valley. Valley means stretch of land between hills. For example, Kathmandu Valley. Now, the next word is spot. Spot. S-P-O-T, spot. Spot means a place or an area. Spot means a place or an area. Dear student, I hope you will understand the meaning of these words. Look at page number 24. In page number 24, there is a passage. There is a passage. Miss Jacinta from Ireland. Miss Jacinta from Ireland. Did you see? Yes. Okay. Here is a passage. After reading this passage, we can do these activities. Okay. Listen carefully. I will read the passage. Okay. Ireland is an island country in Europe. It is in the Atlantic Ocean. You can see Ireland between Spain and Iceland. The United Kingdom is to the east of Ireland. The United Kingdom is between the Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea. Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland. It is on the east coast. Now in this way, in second paragraph, okay, look at second paragraph. Miss Jacinta is from Dublin in Ireland. Nowadays, she lives in Kathmandu. She is a volunteer teacher. She works for Ganoday Secondary School at Bafal in Kathmandu. The school is between Kalanki and Soimbu. It is to the right on your way to Soimbu from Kalanki inside the ring road. There is a beautiful Ganesh temple in front of the school. Miss Jacinta lives in the yellow house at the back of the temple. Miss Jacinta is a good teacher. She always knows very well how to teach students with learning disability. She is very popular among students. On the holidays, she likes to visit different places in Nepal. She has visited every important spot in Kathmandu but hasn't been outside the valley. Yes, this is the passage. You also read this passage. Once again, read it. Then we can find out the answer of this question also. Okay. Now, second paragraph. What is in the second paragraph? Everybody, look at in second paragraph. It is Miss Jacinta is from Dublin in Ireland. Where is Miss Jacinta from? She is from Dublin. Nowadays she lives in Kathmandu means now Miss Jacinta is in Kathmandu. Why she is in Kathmandu? Because she works in Ganoday Secondary School as a volunteer teacher. Yes, volunteer means unpaid. Yes, volunteer means unpaid. Where is Ganoday Secondary School? Okay, where is Ganoday Secondary School? Yes, it is in Bafal in Kathmandu. And the school is between Kalanki and Soimbu. It is to the right on your way to Soimbu from Kalanki inside the ring road. Okay, there is a beautiful Ganesh temple. There is a Ganesh temple. The temple is very beautiful. Where is that Ganesh temple? Yes, Ganesh temple is in front of the school. Miss Jacinta lives in the yellow house at the back of the temple. Miss Jacinta, who is a volunteer teacher, she lives in the yellow house at the back of the temple. Now in third paragraph or in last paragraph, what is written there? It is about also Miss Jacinta. Miss Jacinta is a good teacher. Every teacher is very good. Now in this way, Miss Jacinta is also a good teacher. She also knows very well how to teach students with learning disability. She is very popular among students. She is liked by all the students. On the holidays, she likes to visit different places in Nepal. She likes to visit Nepal, different places in Nepal. She has visited very important spot in Kathmandu. She has visited many important spots in Kathmandu, but she hasn't been outside the valley, she hasn't been go outside of Kathmandu valley. She has visited all the spots in Kathmandu, but hasn't been outside the valley. Okay, it's time for short commercial break.
Water Nemo FM 86.4 Sunna Dibdu Nemo FM 86.4 Neva Judagu Kauram Yanagita.
Okay, welcome back to our class. Okay, now just we have discussed about the passage Miss Jacinta from Ireland. Now, here are the exercise. Look at number B. Page number 24, number B. Okay, student, are you ready? Okay. Read the passage and answer the following question. In question number A, where is Ireland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? Once again, where is Ireland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? Okay, it is in the Atlantic Ocean. It is in the Atlantic Ocean. Yes. Now, in this way, number B. Number B. Who is Miss Jacinta? Who is Miss Jacinta? Can you give answer? Who can give? Who is Miss Jacinta? Yes, she is a volunteer teacher. She is a volunteer teacher. She is from Dublin in Ireland. She is from Dublin in Ireland. Now, next question. Where is Gyanoday Secondary School? Where is Gyanoday Secondary School? It is at Bafal in Kathmandu. It is at Bafal in Kathmandu. Now next question. Why is Jacinta popular among students? Why is Jacinta popular among students? Okay. Why is Jacinta popular among students? Who can give the answer? Who can give? Okay. Look at X paragraph. Third or the last paragraph. Yes. Okay. Miss Jacinta is popular among students. Why? Because she also knows very well how to teach with learning disability. She is popular among students because she also knows very well how to teach with learning disability. Okay, now next question. Where has Miss Jacinta not been to yet? Where has Miss Jacinta not been to yet? She hasn't been outside the valley. She hasn't been outside the valley. Yes, she has visited every important spot in Kathmandu, but she hasn't visited outside the valley. Okay. Do you need to write down? Let's try to write down these question answer. Where is Iceland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? The question, where is Dublin, the capital city of Ireland? Where is Dublin, the capital city of Ireland? It is on the east coast. Where is Dublin, the capital city of Ireland? Yes, it is on the east coast. Where is Ganoday Secondary School in relation to the ring road? Where is Ganoday Secondary School in relation to the ring road? It is to the right on the way to Soembu from Kalanki inside the ring road. It is to the right on way to Soembu from Kalanki inside the ring road. Once again, why is Jacinta popular among students? Why is Jacinta popular among students? Jacinta is popular among students because she also knows very well how to teach with learning disability. Okay. Try to write this question answer. Now next, page number 25, number C. Okay. Who can read the headline of number C? Yes, read the passage above and say whether these statements are true or false. Read the passage above and say whether these statements are true or false. Once again, if you are confused, read the passage. Then try to do true or false. Number A. Who can read? Who can read this number A? Ireland is to the east of the United Kingdom. Ireland is to the west of the United Kingdom. Okay, is that sentence statement true or false? Is that statement true or false? Find out. Okay, Ireland is to the west of the United Kingdom. Mean that is true. That is true. Number B. Okay, number B. Jacinta earns money working as a teacher in Kathmandu. Jacinta earns money working as a teacher in Kathmandu. False. Yes, this is false. Why? Jacinta is a volunteer teacher. Volunteer teacher means she doesn't earn money. She is a volunteer teacher. Therefore, the statement is false. Number C. Ganesh temple is between Kalanki and Soimbu. Ganesh temple is between Kalanki and Soimbu. Yes, this statement is also false. Next, the yellow house is Gyanodaya school. The yellow house is Gyanodaya school. Yes, this statement is also false. The yellow house is not Gyanodaya school. Only Miss Jacinta live in Gyanodaya secondary school. Now, the next last statement is Miss Jacinta has visited Manokamna in Gorkha. Miss Jacinta has visited Manokamna in Gorkha. Miss Jacinta has visited Manokamna is Gorkha. False. Why? Because she hasn't been outside the valley. Mean Manokamna is out of valley. Therefore, we write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, once again I repeat, true or false. Okay, listen carefully. Ireland is to the west of the United Kingdom. This statement is true. T-R-U-E, true. Now the second one. Jacinta earns money working as a teacher in Kathmandu. This statement false. Number C. Ganesh temple is between Kalanki and Soimbu. This is false statement. The yellow house is Gyanodaya secondary school. This is also false statement. And the last one, Miss Jacinta has visited Manokamna in Gorkha. This one is also false. Okay, we have completed number B and number C. Now, let's move to number 4. In number 4, wages with words. These are the words which words are phrases. They are used to describe where something or somebody is in relation to other things. Mean they are preposition. Preposition. In class 6 also you study about the preposition. In class 7 here it is also the preposition. Here are also the preposition. Yes. Now once again you have to read the passage. How many prepositions are there? How many prepositions are there? Find out the preposition. Copy down that preposition. Okay, student? Yes. Okay. Now, the preposition in, at, on, under, inside, outside, between, in the middle of, on the right, in front of, which are related in our test. Okay, once again, in, at, on, under, inside, outside, between, in the middle of, on the right, in front of. These all are preposition. Yes? Yes. Now, you have to do this exercise number B, C and wedges with words number A and number B also. These are your homework. Now I hope you enjoy today's class. This much for today. Have a wonderful day. Stay home, be healthy, save yourself and society. See you next Monday at 11:30 a.m. Bye bye.